I've lost over 200 pounds. Let's go do a Sam's Club haul. We're gonna try to focus on high protein and low carb items. Let's go see what we can find. Has anybody tried a clean protein bar? 15 grams of protein. Calories are a little up there. Carbs aren't the greatest, but I'm curious if they're any good. Just look at that. They have a big old tub of the Bloom collagen colostrum. Guys, I'm obsessed with this stuff. I use it every day, put it in my coffee. It's unflavored, and my hair has been growing like crazy. Oh my gosh, look at these. Little mini sticks, turkey. 8 grams of protein, 0 sugar, 70 calories for 2.6. Ooh, I might give these a try. Hoping to find the sugar-free Russell Stover's candy in like a little heart, because I've seen people get that, but nope, just these. But if you got a little Valentine that does sugar-free, these are so good. Ma'am, red velvet flavored almonds. I know you're joking. That sounds amazing. These sound really, whoa. I could smell that in the bag. Strawberry yogurt flavored almonds. What is this? Bacon cheddar cheese crisp? No, Tostitos is my favorite salsa. I prefer the chunky, but I think I'm gonna get this whole thing. Gingerbread flavored popcorn. Where were you during Christmas? Are you a big Dorito fan? Look, you can have a nacho cheese flavored Dorito popcorn, 70 calories a cup. Oh, and we're gonna stock up on our strawberry kiwi greens. These are new protein bars that I've never seen before, called a True Bar. They have cookie dough and daydreaming about donuts. Here's the nutritional facts. That donut one has me intrigued. I really like these IQ bars. The peanut butter chip one is my favorite. So I'm in the wine aisle, guys. I haven't had alcohol in 3.5 years, longer than that, probably 4 years, 5 years. I want wine. I love wine. Do they make a sugar-free wine? Is that even a thing, or am I crazy? I think I'm gonna get me some tilapia, because I haven't had that in a long time. It's a great low-calorie but high-protein option with only 90 calories for one fillet, but 18 grams of protein. That marinated Alaskan salmon sounds really good too. I think we'll stick with the tilapia. These are about $2.60, but still 27 grams of protein. I don't need any of this right now, but their mozzarella is my favorite. Look at these. I've never seen these. 0 sugar Welch's. They got tropical punch, Concord grape, and then strawberry. Have you guys had these? They sound really good. Okay, so these are not horrible, all right? These lightly breaded chicken bites, they are 160 calories and only 9 grams of carbs, but 16 grams of protein for 3 ounces. It's not horrible. I just know the real good chicken nuggets like that are low carb are harder to find. Love these sparkling ice waters. My favorite is the strawberry Starburst one. It's amazing. It tastes like a strawberry Starburst. This buttery buffalo sounds really good. I just found this. I've never seen this before. Nutrell protein granola. This one's vanilla almond. It's low sugar, obviously, with only 1 gram of sugar, 15 grams of protein, but it's not low carb. I also found a cinnamon pecan flavor too. Look what I found. Grilled chicken bites. Is this a dupe for Chick-fil-A's grilled chicken nuggets? Maybe. They're fully cooked. I think we need these. If you're an easy on-the-go type of person like me, these are fully cooked grilled chicken tenders. Easily just pop these in, let's see, air fryer or microwave too. This chicken is a really good Italian style or grilled chicken. Thumbs up from me. Oh my gosh, cherry, jalapeno, and goat cheese meatballs. It did not want to come with me. Wow, that sounds amazing. Like a sweet heat. Listen, it's not the best, but I'm very intrigued. It sounds really good. I can confirm this is good. Just some rotisserie chicken breast bites. I've had those before. And if you like buttered chicken, you can have 5 ounces of this for 180 calories and 14 grams of protein. Look, stuff like this is super easy for people like me who just need easy, quick things. Seasoned Angus beef bites. I think I need this. 3 ounces for 180 calories and 13 grams of protein. I also like this and the chicken fajitas as well. Listen, I'm not getting this, but don't tell me that does not sound delicious. These egg bites sound so good. Holy cannoli. Poblano queso chicken. All right, we can have 5 ounces for 170 calories and 22 grams of protein. Wow, doesn't that sound so good? Fajita chicken layer dip. And I eat these way too much, but a low-carb tortilla. I usually get the La Bandera Dorito ones, but I'm not seeing them. This cinnamon keto bread is really good. Put some Laughing Cow cheese on that. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. I think they have really good lunch meat. Our favorite is the buffalo style chicken breast. And they usually have a Tuscan seasoned turkey, but I don't see it today. So I'm just gonna go with 4 peppered turkey breast. I swear every time I buy onions, they go bad like so quickly. What's the secret? I love to air fry fresh green beans. Highly recommend. And I'm out of peppers, so I'm gonna give me a bag. And I asked you guys if these golden kiwis were any good. I can confirm I tried one. Delish. Very sweet. What kind of grapes do you prefer? I'm a green grape girly. These romaine hearts make really good wraps or just use it in place of bread. And I like to use spinach a lot of times in place of lettuce, so I need some of this. All right, you guys put me on to Fit Crunch Bars. I've had this one, love this one, but I've not had the milk and cookies. Which box am I getting? Oh, that cookie dough sounds good. Is it good? And I know a lot of y'all are obsessed with the Built Puff Bars now. My husband and grandma are obsessed with the brownie batter. I prefer the cookie dough chunk. Have you had the Quest protein muffins yet? I'm obsessed with both of these flavors. Put them in the microwave. I'm telling you, amazing.